Happy fall, y'all. Thank you so much for being a fan of mine. I appreciate you so much, and I want to tell you that in this season, I am thankful for you. You mean so much to me, you have helped me, and I have not been super busy, so I haven't been around very much, and even though I haven't been around, I can still come back to my TikTok and see y'all here, so. This is a big, long thank you burp video to let y'all know what's going on. I do have a pink kitty costume that I bought for Halloween, but I didn't